looking out, or if you're not even thinking on these lines, that how do you price your products over a period of time, there is going to be struggle for sure, right? Because the cost itself आजकल इतना ऊपर जा रहा है, सभी चीजें महंगी हो रही है, the markups और the markdowns और जो भी आप आपका profit margin या जो भी आप उसके ऊपर आप लगा रहे हो, कहीं ना कहीं it will not allow you to make money at all. Yeah. So what are the things that you need to consider when you are pricing your product? We are going to speak today. A lot of things has got to do with your selling capacity as an entrepreneur. That is why I always insist everyone to focus on sales. Everything else falls in its place then, because if you are not focusing on your sales, as I go through the slides today about what I have done for the pricing strategy and how do you price your products, you will realize that it is again related. Just like as your cash flow is a lot related to your sales, your pricing strategies are also related to your sales. Even I've just got a sheet from one of my clients how they actually do the costing part, because वहाँ पर भी I saw a lot of people not having an organized format. I'm going to share that format with you today of how exporters are doing it or the domestic market people are doing it. There are a number of things to this. So take it step by step. If you are just starting your business, like a lot of you are today, make sure that you are taking the first step right in terms of the costing part and then the pricing of your products and services. Services is very difficult to price because there is no end to that. And again, I'll explain when we go to it. But since you are all more into the product development part or in the product part, a lot of times it is going to happen is that there might be super confusion कि हम इस चीज को क्या दाम में बेचें. There is a method to it, there is a way to it, there is a structure to it. Cost plus something वो सारी चीजें मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा. Like Smita is having a different, now there is no thumb rule to this. Okay, there is absolutely no thumb rule to this. When I'm looking at all of you here, all the participants, you all have a very different product. Okay, you have a completely like स्मिता, वो जो उनका जो फॉर्मेट है उसमें उसमें प्राइसिंग कैसे करें, राइट? सो शी इज वॉट एवर शी इज डूइंग, गेटिंग इन फैब्रिक, जो उनका बाइंग का प्रोसीजर है और जो हम अभी आज बात करने वाले हैं, हम एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे सभी के लिए. इट बिकम्स वेरी वेरी इजी, राइट? If you are starting or if you have already started your business and then you are looking to scale up, again the pricing will be very different when you are scaling up also, because the expenses you might be hiring a lot of people, so you will have to keep that margin as you grow, as you scale up. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो आपको consider करनी पड़ेगी आपके pricing में. People just ignore those things because they are not able to sell, and you will have to raise your prices as you grow over a period of time. It is going to be a necessity for your business to make sure that you are raising your prices. Now प्राइस रेज कैसे करने हैं और कभी लगता है कि डिक्रीज भी करना है तो कैसे करेंगे, आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर दैट विद यू.